guys, so what I did was I got this round mirror. You don't have to have a round mirror. You could have round plate or something like that to make it. So the first thing I did was I bought this tulip. They come in a roll in Walmart for $2, which is pretty cheap. So what I did is I just made them small pieces, cut a lot of small pieces like this, and then you would just tie it in the middle. So then after you cut it, then what I did was tie it, and then it gives me this. So after I'm there, the next step that I will do is take a glue gun, and then I will put a little bit of glue in here, and then I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna do this all around it, and then I'm gonna show you what's the next step. After I'm here, the next step that I will do is I got this string in the Dollar Tree, so I'm just gonna glue it around. Here, after I cut out my little horn and ears, what I will do is put them together. So I would just put a little bit of glue in the back, and let's just put it right here like that, and let's do the same thing for this one, and let's put it right here. I made this little cute flower. You could just buy them in the Dollar Tree if you don't want to make them. So I'm just gonna put the little flower over here, and then I'm gonna glue 2 more flower over here, and then I'm gonna glue another flower over here, which leave me with this amazing and cute thingy. Now I'm gonna put this right here. So I'm gonna put some glue in the back, and I'm gonna glue this right. Leave me with this, and this is what's gonna go on top of the cupcake toppers. Look how cute. So this is for that. Now I'm gonna put let me just focus right here so you guys, and I'm gonna put a few flower. I'm gonna put some glue gun and put a flower over here. Make sure I glue it together, and then I'm gonna put another one over here, and this is how I cut it out, and it's pretty simple to make. I just got it folded like that. Me with these cute little petal flowers, and I'm just gonna glue them right here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue in the back. So it can hold. See, and then I'm gonna put this one on top, and I'm gonna show you how everything came out.